Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Copy and Paste Ads. I want to show you some updates with the system. The system is going great. The momentum is still high. And it's just getting better and better. Okay, I'm just so impressed with this program. If you landed here, you're looking for a way to make money online, and you've come to the right place at the right time. Okay, this particular program I'm an affiliate marketer for is Copy and Paste Ads. It's very simple. It's a one-time $149 to get started, and all you're doing is copy and pasting ads. Copy, paste, post. Okay, that's all you're going to do, guys. And then we have places. I've discovered places anywhere from $4 to $5 on Craigslist. There's numerous places, over 100 places that you can promote this business. Really simple. But today what I'm going to show you is some new additions and updates and some progress with the program. Okay, so I'm going to switch over right now. You're actually on one of the pages, but I'm going to switch over because what I want to show you is they've added some new pages in here. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's go in the back office here and let me show you. Okay, right here, this is awesome. I love this page, by the way, John. This particular page, which is what we were on, it's like a comp plan, okay, where he shows you the numbers and how you can make money posting ads. Okay, so let me see if I can get over. Hang on a second. Okay, and this is the page. So I'm going to give you a quick snippet. Okay, check it out. So we can get it going here. Everything slows down when you're trying to record a video. Okay, let's see if we can let it go. Hold on.
How to make between $3,000 to $45,000 per month. Simply by posting ads. No selling, no explaining, no convincing, no begging your family or friends, and no talking to a single person.
Okay, I just want to give you a snippet of what it's going to say. Okay, now this is the kicker, what I was impressed with. This particular sales page, guys, you can use it now. Okay, you pick the capture page, which I'm going to show you which capture page you can choose, and once they opt in, they'll get this presentation versus the other one. The original one, that's an option. You don't have to, but I'm starting to use this one. Okay, because when they opt in, they will get that video with him explaining how you can make money on Craigslist. And not only that, it takes you straight to the Craigslist list. Okay, so you can see the cost of how much the Craigslist ads would cost you. Now, it may vary depending on where you are. The prices may be off a little bit, but it takes you directly into Craigslist. So you can go ahead and post your ads. Okay, so I'm going to show you that as well. So hang on a second. So this is a great page to use. I'm going to show you the capture page to use. When they opt in, it takes them right to this video. Okay, and this explains how they make money using it, and it takes them into Craigslist. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. Okay, so you're in the back office, guys, right? Okay, so see all your pages. So this is it right here, and it tells you, it says this page redirects to the page for Craigslist. So this is it. So you pick this capture page, and then it directs them over to this page right here. So that, see right here, where this presentation is going to take place, and it explains how Craigslist works and the potential that they can make with Craigslist. Okay, so that's a new page that was added. So I wanted to show you that. That's one. And then here's another page, okay, that was added. So they're always adding to this program. Okay, that's what I love about it. So let me show you. It looks the same. So let me show you what it looks like. I've already redirected mine. So what you can do We'll put the link below. See, it's the same. It looks similar. Okay, name, email, phone number. But I've already directed mine. So what you can do is opt in to easyprofit100.com, EASYPROFIT100.com. And you'll see once you opt in, it's going to take you to that page. So I think that's going to be a great way. Your sales are going to go up even more now. Okay, so that's one thing they've added. Okay, so I'm going to show you this just for you. You know, if you're coming in your back office and you say, well, where is this Craigslist information? They've already listed all the major cities that you should post your ads in. Okay, so you're going to log in. You're going to go to resources, and you're going to go down, and it says it'll be member training. And then you come down here, places to advertise. It says Craigslist cities. Okay, so as you can see right here, again, that video is going to talk about. It's a 5-minute video, and it gives you all the cities. Okay, and it takes you right in there. Okay, so that is pretty cool. Log in your back office, and you get an idea of what the ads cost. I know I found an area where I can place an ad for $5 in Craigslist. So imagine, guys, if you just did one ad a day. Some places are $7, so it just depends. Okay, so don't get caught up on that. Okay, just go check it out and you'll see. Okay, so see right here. Okay, right here you get all the cities. Okay, you get all the cities here and see an example. Okay, and then it'll take you right in there, guys. This is awesome. So you may say, oh, okay, great. Well, I'll go in, you know, whatever this one is. Okay, so it takes you right in there. You pick the city, you look at the cost, and you go, oh, well, I'll just select this one. And it takes you right in there. So it should take you right into Craigslist. Hang on a second. Okay, so see what happens? I'm already logged in, guys. So all I need to do is decide whether it's going to be job offered, or if it's going to be service provided or gigs, whatever it is you're going to do. It logs you right in. Once you pick that city from the back office, from the list that they give you with all the pricing, it takes you directly in. So that's a pretty cool feature and functionality to have in your back office. Okay, I haven't seen that with anyone. Normally it'll just take you straight to Craigslist, but this one takes you right into the section you need to be in. Okay, so that's a new addition. So that's great, guys. So again, we have 2 new pages. If you select this particular capture page, it's going to take them directly into the Craigslist page with the video where he explains how it works as far as posting ads to promote this business and get paid to promote it via Craigslist. Okay, so those are the 2 new pages. Great pages. This one is great if you want to. It's just a sales page. Say you have a list already and you want to just send people this one. This is where he explains how you can make $3,000 up to $40,000 a month posting ads. Okay, so 2 new additions, guys. Great stuff. Great stuff. Again, so I'm going to show you where you go to get the Craigslist cities. If you're in your back office and you're like, well, how do I do that? You go to the members area, resources, okay, places to advertise, and right here, Craigslist cities, and it's going to pull them all up, and it's going to give you the pricing for the major cities. Okay, and again, I found ads as low as $5. So guys, do this every day. Just place an ad every day. Okay, $5 a day or $7 a day, $10 a day, whatever it is. Pick your budget and copy, paste, promote. Okay, copy, paste, promote. Okay, that's it. All right, so let me show what I've got going on. Some new, lots of new leads coming in. People are joining. Yesterday was a great day. Had a $350 day. We got the Fearless Mama going. I'm gonna put the link below for that too. If you're looking to make $250 commissions instantly, I'm gonna put that link below too. And you can work these both, guys. Work them both, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. So hang on a second. Let me get in my email. Okay, check it out. That was yesterday. 64 opt-ins. And we're still counting today. It's just dripping over. That's the overflow. But my major day was yesterday, where I had a lot of ads, a lot of traffic, a lot of things was going on. So you see, we're getting people to this site. And now with the way he has these pages set, is crazy. So check this out. Got to mention this. So when they go to this page and they watch this video, okay, that basically takes them in here. When they click, they can click start from here and go ahead and join you immediately. So this video right here is going to captivate them, where it explains the potential of what they can make. And then from the same page that's illustrating Craigslist, they can go ahead and get started from the same page. So that's pretty cool. So again, log in your back office. If you would like, I highly recommend it. That's what I've done. I've already switched my page over to this one. So when you opt in, you're going to go there. So you can check it out for yourself. I'm going to put the link below so you can see how it's all set up, guys. But new additions, this thing is just getting better and better. I'm loving it. Again, this is going to be one of my #1 programs going into 2019, ending 2018, going into 2019. This along with the Fearless Mama. These programs are awesome. They're no pass-ups. They're just straight 100% commissions. Great way to get some cash flow on the front end. And then you can jump up on the high ticket on the back end with me and easy one up, $500,000 level. You can go from there, okay? Scale it up. But this is the way to go. Copy and paste system. Okay, get started with me in it. Again, this is the new page. It's the same page, but you've got to select the right one if you want them to see the video where he explains, okay, how Craigslist is going to work and you getting paid, okay, and the potential of people getting paid. I think it's going to bring it home because not only are the people already going to be on Craigslist when they see your ad. For example, if they saw your ad on Craigslist and then when they opt in and they get that information, it's just going to resonate with them even further, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's my update for today. Continue to subscribe and follow me. Make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And I'm actually putting together, I've got another freebie I'm going to give away when you join me in this too. So I'm trying to give you some value, not only just selling you on the opportunity, but I want to give you some value of which you can use to help promote this business and any other business that you are part of. Okay, so I'm getting that together as well. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and feel free to opt in so you can see what I'm speaking of, and then give me a call and let's talk. Jot down your questions and let's have a conversation. Let's get you in the copy and paste system, okay, right now, because now is the time. There's no need to delay. $149 time, no monthly fees. You're gonna make $100 instantly, over and over and over and over. Okay, it's an all-in-one, done-for-you system. Most of the people that have joined me, I haven't spoken to. The only people that I'm speaking to are the ones that see me online. The people that I'm putting ads out for, running traffic, doing text messages, they just sign up, guys. So this is a great way to get your foot in the door. If you haven't made any money online, check it out. Okay? So until then, I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day. See you in the next video.